Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to change font style on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users want to change their font style on their iPhone and they don't know how to change it. If you also want to change it and you are looking for a video, don't worry, I will tell you how to fix this. How to change this font style. So guys, first of all you have to go to your settings and go to accessibility and go to display and set text size. Simply go to large text and you can enable it from here. Large accessibility size, or you can enable the bold text and increase contrast for better readability. If you don't want to change this accessibility settings, then you have to simply go to your app store, search here font text, download this app, then open it. Now tap on allow, tap on continue, cut it, tap on close. Now tap on enable keyboard, go to keyboards, enable the font text, tap on allow full access, again tap on allow and done. Now guys, to use this simply you have to open your keyboard. Now tap on this world icon, tap and hold here and now tap on font text and done. From here I can select different type style of fonts on my iPhone keyboard. You can see here. I can use my stylish dark one, anyone. So guys, this was a simple method that how to change font style on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.